Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of this Reborn doll. So let's see what's in this box. Let's get started. Here we have the Reborn doll. Let's open it and see what's in that. So here we have this cute Reborn doll. So here we have this cute Reborn doll. This is what we received. She is very cute. Has blue eyes. Has blonde hair. Has this beautiful outfit. Very cute. This is what she looks like. So you might think she looks familiar. That's because she is a twin. She is a twin, and we also have her twin sister that we already opened up. So here is her twin sister. So these are twin Reborn dolls. They are so cute and adorable. What do you guys think their name should be? Let me know in the comments down below, and we'll choose a nice name for them. They are so cute and nice Reborn dolls. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.